Well, how on the children to do this year the Queen Quet idea upon this year the rest island in the Georgia coast. Some of the children get it but the Golden Isles and things like that. And when you come through y'all go to some of the other rest island. Well, I did upon Jekyll Island. Now plenty of time when yet about Jekyll Island, only yet about the Millionaires Club or the Millionaires Mansion and things like that. But this year been where the Wanderer, one of the last enslavement vessel that they could have documented become in. And so plenty of we Gullah Geechee ancestors been upon that vessel. Some of them were in South Kakalaki too, because after they did the people here, they can't cross the border and things like that, all in but just there in Georgia. But plenty of the family would deal around this here part of Georgia, knew for true, say the people become off the Wanderer. Now if you see this here, they say the survivors of the Wanderer, you see all this here part is just boxes, and you say, well, we left all them blank boxes because then the name of the ancestors, species, they ain't know yet. But hopefully over the years and things like that, they'll find them. But some of the children might say some of these names is your name. Bambush, Bayfield, Bland, Carr, Congo, Duvignon, Floyd, Fox, Gardner, Green, Henderson, Hopkins, Johnson, Lamar, Lanham, Lee, Lemons, McMullen, Mott, Nobles, Putnam, Scarlett, Smith, Thomas, Williams, Wiley, and then you see these ones, no last names. But so, this your time. We just finished up with Gullah Geechee Family Day for 2019, and we got the 2020 Gullah Geechee Family Day on the way. We going to be right here at this your site, giving homage to we ancestors and things like that. So, on the children, you might as well start for get ready now for the last Saturday in July 2020. Follow we at Gullah Geechee and at GullahGeecheeNation.com. Click follow. That way, when we to give out the information of all of what going to be going on, because it could be a whole Gullah Geechee family weekend of activities, we're not going to know what's going on. But we definitely going to fill in the blanks about who plenty of we be. And 100 children, if you ain't know who I be, I the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Please continue to enjoy we celebration, because this year, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be on a stage, I want to be buried in my grave. I'm going home to my God.